Welcome in, ladies and gents. So today we are going to be looking at changing your on-screen YouTube chat from something like this to something like that. Just about there. So it's see-through and more acceptable on your stream. So let's get into it. So first off, we're going to go to a couple of sites. So we'll jump over to, bear with, I've not planned this one. There we go. Turn that one off. Right, so we're first going to go to your live streaming on YouTube. We're going to pop out the chat. Unfortunately, you may have to do this each and every time, but it's one of those. We're going to have to copy the pop out chat. I'm going to close it back down. So we're going to have it here again. We're then going to go into OBS. Let me get the right one. There we go. We're going to go to OBS, and what we're then going to do is we're going to add it as a browser source. So like I have done here. So with this one, not this one, we'll go with this one. So with this one, we've got it there. Let's just jimmy it over here. So we've added it in as a browser source. So your properties are like this. Okay, so at the moment I have it 600 by 900. It gives it a decentish box. You obviously can change it and play around with it. But this bit at the bottom, this is what we're going to need to change to get this to be transparent all the way through. So we have this website. I've done a little bit of research today. We've got this website here. It's called Chat V2.0 style generator. You could, there's different bits you can add in. You can change all these different sizes. Obviously, once you change them, it then gives you this CSS code. So all we do is we go down here and we copy this. We then go back into OBS. Let me get the right one, and I've not got the right one. I always choose the wrong one. Too many OBSs. It's painful. And then we go into the properties again of this one. We highlight this, delete that, and then add that in. And then there we go. It's now transparent. Just to show, we'll just put a quick color source in. Where are we? Color source. We're probably going to lose the camera, but we're not going to be worried. There we go. Just put this below that. So there you go. You've got the color source below there, and it just shows you. Let's just put a quick message in. Oh, can I spell hello? Put a quick test message in. There you go. Obviously, like I say, you can change different fonts in that. Test. Again, there is, with YouTube, there is that slight delay at the moment. I was obviously working on it getting better over time. But you can see, there you go, it works. So yeah, ladies and gents, try it out, put it on your stream. As for now, that's see you in the next one. Peace out.